Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Greet you all according to your time. It's another beautiful day and another beautiful video. How are you all doing? I hope you are good. I hope you are fine. Thank you again for joining. Okay, for my returning subscribers, thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So in today's video, we are making orange yam. Okay, please, if you are coming across my video for the first time, please, I'm Chichi Lifestyle, a new YouTuber based in Plateau State. Please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do me well by subscribing to my channel. Please, I take God and beg you, please, I beg you, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, please, I beg you. Okay, so stay tuned to the video as we get ready. If you know me very well, you know that I'm in a village and this is what we used to cook. Not really a village, I'm in a city. At least here is not my village, but because of the development, or what would I put it, how would I put it, I think I see this place as a city, as a village, you understand? Yes. So I'm going to I'm in my charcoal right now. So guess what we are cooking today? We are cooking porridge yam. Porridge yam. Children will still come back from school. Let everything marry each other. This one and there. Now let us come and check my baby. Everything. So this is the okra. We are using okra to make this because there is no green available and no onion available. Eating my enjoying my food and my. If you find this video interesting, please do well to like, comment, and also share. Bye. I have a nice day.